Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. Ooh, King of Cups wanted to show their face, but I'm going to put him back. If he needs to come out, I'm sure he'll come out again. So Taurus, as I was saying, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, some major choices are being made here, Taurus. Center of my spread, Taurus, I have the Six of Pentacles in reverse with the Ten of Pentacles alongside. And the Ace of Cups, the Two of Swords again in reverse, making some major changes here. Bottom of my deck, I have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. So Taurus, who's making a choice not to, I don't know, this is like such a mixed reading. There is a feeling that there is no equal give and take, maybe in a marriage or a very, very strong partnership. Somebody is choosing love. Somebody is choosing love and maybe to move on. I don't know. I'm going to clarify these cards, Taurus. But before that, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Thank you. And Taurus, I'm going to take a few more from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Ooh. Okay. Last couple of them from here and we begin your reading. Taurus and their person. Thank you. Okay, the first card here, Taurus, is... One second. Okay, the first card here, Taurus, says, I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams and I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me when I try to move on. I'm haunted even more. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close. I'm aching for you. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? Why do you try and downplay our connection, even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? It really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I'll never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. And the last one here, Taurus, says, I want to hold you and never let go. Alright, Taurus, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you first. As a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Healing. So a lot of healing is required, maybe in a connection or maybe to your own soul, I don't know, but the angels are sending you lots of healing. Whatever has been disrupted or interrupted in your life, let's say, and needs healing, there is a lot of healing available to you by the angels at this present moment. Okay, so I'm going to put this card back here. I'm going to start your reading. So, Spirit, what's the Lovers here in reverse? Lovers in reverse. Lovers in reverse. One more. Somebody has pulled back their love, or maybe making a choice now to pull back their love. Maybe this Queen of Cups is now putting a lid on that cup of love to say, hey, I want to get out of this feeling of lack. I want to take back my love. I have no more love to give to a situation which doesn't make me feel good. Four of Wands in reverse. But there is a King of Cups. See, the King of Cups came out, Taurus. The King of Cups came out. But there is somebody here maybe who does want to work on things. But things are Eight of Pentacles. There is one person I think who wants to work on things now. The other person I think is looking out to see maybe what else is out there. Things are stuck. One person is wanting to come out of feeling that I'm always going to be feeling sad and lonely and upset. I want to heal my heart. Somebody is wanting now to get out of this lack feeling, and where they feel is there is no justice. Yes, there's no justice, there's no celebration, there's no joy. Not wanting to repeat a chapter with somebody who's more or less a trickster, a magician in reverse, right? Somebody who just brings drama to their life, with whom they have no equal give and take. Somebody is making a very strong decision here, Taurus. I have this card twice as well. I mean, when this is in the upright, it's like, not being able to decide which, side to take or where to go, or having a blindfold over your eyes. But when this card comes out in reverse, there is somebody who's making a very strong choice for themselves. The blindfold is off. Regarding a partnership which they feel is not balanced, which is not equal, this is no equal give and take, and again I have another card of a choice or a decision being made. Now, when this is upright again, this person is now between these two wands wondering which direction to take, right? But the minute this goes this way, that means a person has decided. What's the Ten of Pentacles then, Spirit? Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. There is a bit of fear though. There is a bit of fear in taking that risk of going on a brand new journey for themselves. Maybe because this is a marriage or a committed partnership. There is a bit of fear. Somebody doesn't want to do a foolish thing. So there's a bit of fear, as well as, yes, they I think maybe scared of their partner. This could be a scare of their partner who could be a little strong-headed, or they worry that they'll come and fight with me, or it's always been there that way, right? It's their way or the highway. So somebody is scared that, if I do decide on leaving, let's say, then would that be wise? Ace of Cups, Spirit? Ace of Cups. Somebody is wanting love in their life. They want all their cups full. They want the Ten of Cups. They don't want to live in a stressful place for the rest of their life. This is the wish. I want love, overflowing love, and I want the Ten of Cups. I want a happily ever after, and I want to be out of this, not being able to sleep at night, stress, tension, upset. So yes, a choice has to be made. Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, somebody making the choice to leave conflicts behind, and yes, taking their power back as the Queen of Wands. Somebody is trying to get their mojo back here, Taurus. One card fell on the floor, but just give me a second. Yeah, see, leaving conflict behind and moving on to a calmer, happier, more peaceful place for themselves. I think somebody is tired of this in and out and waiting. They want, what's the Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune. I think somebody is choosing themselves. Somebody is choosing themselves here, trying to become stronger and stronger, trying to find happiness in themselves first, by being the Nine of Pentacles, by, taking care of themselves, their money, their home, and like not their, their own space, their own life. No longer wanting to deal with any conflict from the past, things which didn't work out. There is no excitement left to even thinking about that, right? So somebody is wanting change here. Somebody is trying to open up to this new possibility of, what if I was single? What if I could do this on my own? Give me one more card, Spirit, for the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. One more. Somebody is seeing the possibilities in front of them. Somebody is trying to see the possibilities in front of them, wondering if they shut this chapter down and allow this tower to disintegrate. What do I have to look forward to? Who do I have to look forward to? I have two kings here. King of Pentacles, King of Wands. So maybe a choice has to be made regarding two people as well. I don't know. Spirit, why was the Four of Pentacles our overall energy in reverse? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is making a choice. Somebody is making a choice. That's all I get from this reading, that a very strong decision or a choice is getting made, even though they feel it may be risky to make that choice, even if they feel that their past person may create some drama. Somebody does want to open up and not give this past thing a second chance. I don't know. Well, I don't know who this is resonating with, Taurus. Let me know in the comments, okay? Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.